Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. In this short video lecture I will guide you how to make a small house planning in the dimensions of 20 feet by 32 feet step by step. So this is the topic for today, how to make a small house planning in the dimensions of 20 by 32 feet dimension. If you need house planning, structural drawing, 3D animation for any type of building, so you can contact me on this WhatsApp number. This is paid services, not for free. Guys, you can see here, this is roadside. Okay, so the first one, this is road. When you enter from this road, which is in north direction, so guys, you can see this is the main entrance, this is the main gate. You can see here, you can see the first one under the stair, you have the main gate, okay, which is 7 feet and 3 inches. Okay, next guys, you can see this is up for first floor. Here you can see this is main entrance. So when you enter to this by this main entrance, so this is a living room or living hall. This is a living room, which size of this living room is 10 feet 3 inches by 10 feet 3 inches by 14 feet and 9 inches. So this is size of this living room. Next guys, you can see this is the first bedroom, this one, which size is 11 feet 6 inches by 10 feet. 11 feet 6 inches by 10 feet. This is the size of this bedroom. Next guys, you can see this is window from the roadside, you can see. Next guys, you can see here, this is open to sky. Open to sky. Size of this open to sky is 4 feet by 4 feet. So from this bedroom, for this bedroom, you can also see this is the window, open to sky. This is the window for this living room to this open sky. So guys, this is a bath. Size of this bath is 6 feet by 4 feet. Okay, next guys, you can see this is the second bedroom. Size of this bedroom is 10 feet by 10 feet. Okay, so for this, you can see this is the window, because here the next one, you can see this is the kitchen. Size of this kitchen is 10 feet by 8 feet and 9 inches. Width is 8 feet 9 inches by 10 feet. This is size of kitchen, and this is open to sky, which size is 3 feet by 3 feet. So this is the window for this kitchen to this open sky, and this is the window for this bedroom. So guys, this is a small house planning in the dimensions of 20 by 32 feet. Hope this short video can help you. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.